Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you this beautiful shabby chic gift box that is perfect for Mother's Day or any other day that you would like to gift something to that special friend or just something for yourself. So what I did here was, first of all, I used a die from, and I don't know why it's so difficult for me to remember these people, Tonic Studios. Oh gosh. Okay, Tonic Studios, and it did take me some time to do this. A lot of it, as you can see, is in the die cutting. Now, not only did I use dies by Tonic Studio, but I also used a couple of dies from Spellbinders for the flourishes, and I also used my butterfly die from Craft & Co. Featuring Sandy Nagel with the Dainty Dreams collection. So you get all these dies. That's right, this is a shameless plug, and I will go ahead and link you to this and all of my other Dainty Dreams collections at Craft Stash. From Craft Stash, or from myself to Craft Stash. I don't know how to word that, in the description area of this video. So anywho, the paper collection that I used here is actually from last year's Mother's Day paper collection. It is a shabby chic collection, and the name of it escapes me. I want to say it's Feu Electra, that I made for my mom for Mother's Day. So anyways, I am also participating in a TASSEL a Day collab from Jovi, and I will go ahead and put everyone's links in the description area of this video. And so I told Jovi, I said, I don't know how to make a tassel, and she was like, "Oh, I'd rather you make it by hand instead of buying it." So, granted, I did buy a few tassels, and the more and more I looked at my project, and I was like, "Okay, this is really supposed to be handmade." So, what did I do? So, if you've been following my, sorry, this is my kitty cat's butt. She made that her spot, okay? And so if you've been watching my videos for a while, y'all know that I love to buy these trims in the furnishings collection from Hobby Lobby, and I get mine when they go on clearance, and I buy mine by the bolt, okay? So I have tons and tons of trims like these. So what I decided to do was, like, I wanted to make a tassel, okay? But as you said, as I told you earlier, tassel challenge. Please, it's like, asking me to make a tassel is like asking me to walk backwards. It just ain't gonna happen. Okay, bye-bye. She went. Okay, she's gone. So what I did was I took one of my bolts and I checked out the color, and I thought that gold went really well with it. So I snipped about not even an inch, okay? Because see, these cords are kind of like on the thicker side. So not even an inch. I snipped about that much, and what I did on the ends was, like, I applied some hot glue, because of course if you don't, it starts unraveling. And then I just started turning it, and once I had it to a certain width, because of course I didn't want to make it too wide, I just hot glued it, and voila, there's my tassel. So, for those of you who are tassel challenged like I am, this is an exceptional hack, and it looks absolutely beautiful. And of course, I was so surprised with myself. I was like, oh my gosh, I actually made this. And so not only did I make one, but I made two. Kind of sort of like earrings, huh? I made two, one for each side of the well. And so let me show it to you like so, because I know it's so hard to look at. And of course, over here we do have a bucket. And I went ahead and I added a little bit of trim on inside the bucket. I just hot glued it on in there, and I just took a little piece of yarn to attach it to that little turning bucket, turning thingamajiggy. Okay, and of course you do get the die for that. And I just added a couple of flowers there, and I hot glued a couple of flowers there. This was easy to make, okay? And like I said, this is from Tonic Studios, and it was very easy to make. You get like a gazillion and one dies. I did not use each and every single one of them, but it turned out absolutely beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. And of course, you know, I used watercolor paper because it's very, very sturdy. Let me show you what the bottom looks like. I went ahead and added some of these beads that I'm not using. I added them as feet. And look at these. I went ahead and I made the little hearts with the little, I did some flat back pearls to go with the little hearts. And I used some of these, let me show you. Like, I buy these by the silo from I Am Roses. And, because I'm also Roses challenged. And over here, I went ahead and I did, excuse me, stick pin, and over here I put today, and that is from my La Condesa scrapbook paper collection. And yeah, it turned out very, very beautiful, and I just love it. So yeah, in the comments, oh, and I also added this, you know, just to make it shabby. I don't know who I'm going to give this to yet, but I know it's going to go to somebody special. But anywho, yeah, I do have pictures at the end for you to admire this. And yeah, let me know if you would make the same thing. It took me a couple of days actually to do this, you know, because as you can see, a lot of layering. So let me know what you think of something like this. I think it makes a really great Mother's Day present, or a Galentine's Day present, Christmas, birthday, whatever. And especially for somebody who just loves shabby chic. So I like it. I love it very much. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section underneath this video. And if you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a nice comment and a thumbs up. And make sure that you click on that bell-shaped icon, and so yeah, it helps this channel. So thank you so very much for watching. Excuse me. Have a wonderful day. See you once again real soon. Bye.